Hello, myself Palkumar Pathak, and we are Team Edge Cases. According to our problem statement, in the current world, there are many problems present with the business world. Due to the presence of fragmented data, the enterprise management becomes too much hard. Due to this fragmented data itself, many times big companies also face issues like data maintenance and very other issues. For that, we have made FleetEdge, Enterprise Fleet Management. This is the tool which helps these types of businesses to manage their business related issues properly. Starting with the login page itself, we the user need to log in to the FleetEdge using either they can go through manually like email and security code, or they can directly log in through using Google. After logging in through Google, they need to mention that what's their role. By doing that, this ensures that the complete interface adapts itself using the role that is inputted here using the user. This helps the interface to change itself and adapt to the modules that is according to the role. These are the roles available according to the statement. Administrator, which contains full system access and control to each and every uh, parts of the complete product. The fleet manager, which only have access to managing vehicles and dispatches only. The dispatcher, this role contains only access to assign trips and coordinate drivers. The last second one is safety officer. This is one of the important role because it contains the access to monitor compliance and maintenance. The safety officer ensures that the complete process of management becomes ensured and completely transparent. And last one, but not the least, financial analyst. This is the one that also contains important role. It only have access to each and every type of, we can say, profit loss and other types of money related parts. It completely knows that what are the expenses and what are the complete analytics through the month, year, and in a week also. Continuing with the administrator, to show each and every part of the web, we will confirm and enter the web, the FleetEdge. So this is the main dashboard, the admins, or we can say administrators dashboard. It, as you can see, this is the command center of the or the dashboard. It contains each and every information, small to small information that an administrator need to know. The active fleet, which contains the profit percentage or any other minute detail like assets operationals currently. The maintenance alert, which contains the number of services that are required based on the feedbacks given by the drivers during their own processes. And the pending cargo, which are the ones that are awaiting dispatch. Although they are completed on their own side, the dispatcher has not currently affirmed the dispatch. That number will be shown here. At the end, the active mission logs, it contains the informations related to the dispatches which are already dispatched, like the asset, the operator, and the status. Contains the status like draft, completed, active. The operator contains the name of the operator which has dispatched. The asset contains the actual asset which is dispatched, and the id mission id is just for better management on the FleetEdge. It don't contain any use for the administrator or any other part. Then the dashboard also contains analytics, which helps the administrator to fastly observe what are the newer changes in the last some time. It contains fleet efficiency, asset utilization, the cost savings, and on-time delivery. All the percentages are live and are data tracked according to the input from different roles across the complete FleetEdge. It contains the fleet distribution like maintenance, standby, transit, active based on the dispatches which are currently on. The performance trends, this contains the last week's trends like what were the numbers like efficiency related to the dispatch. It also contains the efficiency of FleetEdge's use. like how many administrators are using FleetEdge and how many dispatchers and other rules are perfectly connected to them. The cost analysis, this contains all the types of cost related parts like fuel, maintenance, operations for the administrators easiness related to their own parts, like what were the cost they incurred in the last week or like that. As you can observe, it contains a monthly type way. So this was the part. Also, the filters can also be applied to each and every part, like newest first, the status. We can refresh if the administrator got to know if the new dispatch is on. We can dispatch a mission. We can acknowledge the system status by like affirming that yes, the dispatch is done. We can also register a new asset if a administrator got to know that a new vehicle is going to be dispatched. They can do that by themselves also. They can directly add the vehicle name, registration number, the vehicle type, all the basic informations that dispatcher need to mention. The admin can also do all of that directly by themselves. The minute features also include the syntax checks and all the parts, like if the registration number follows the actual standard mentioned in the government rules. After saving a vehicle, it will be directly added in this list itself, the vehicles list, which contain odometer, capacity, status, and we can also do from here the actions too. We can add it if we got to know any other mentions. We can directly delete the vehicle based on the dispatch status, and we can also do all the operations too on the dashboard itself, the admin dashboard itself. We can, on the analytics, we can mention each and every things. It no need to mention by the admin itself. It will be directly updated using live tracking. The live map contains the complete information related to the all the types of dispatches. Like if a new dispatch is currently on, it will contain if it is active, if it is under maintenance, or it is under alert. The color of this arrow, as you can see here, based on the cursor, the color of the arrow mentions its status, current status of the dispatch. As you can here see, the live badge is also there, which mentions that yes, it is completely live. Okay, moving on to fleet assets. It, as I just mentioned, it contains each and every part and each and every feature related to fleet asset management. Mission control, it is also one of the important feature. It contains the type total number of missions, the all the info related to the missions, like in progress, completed, or success rate related to the mission control. The success rate is calculated completely based on the total number of dispatches that are done till the date. The live fleet map, as I just showed, the live fleet map is present in the command center too, and it is present here too for betterment of the, like, better mentions for the admin. The missions are the ones that are dispatched. For example, if I am a operator and I dispatch an asset, then the admin will be seeing that yes, a dispatch is currently live, and its location will also be seen in this live fleet map. We have added live fleet map again in the mission control center for the easiness of the admin to see each and every info on a single page. As you can see, currently there is one active mission, which is of the mission one, like Alice Johnson. All of these are demo datas, although they all are live and are connected by themselves. We can launch a mission. As I just mentioned, each and every feature and functionality which are added with other roles than admin, all of them are completely added in the admin too, which helps admin to mention or edit the complete dashboard by himself if he got to know that anything is messed up or not. We can also see the status if a mission is in progress, on trip, or pending. We can search each and everything about mission using the search bar. We can from here add new actions too, like dispatch any other info related to driver and all. And we can emergency broadcast. This button is basically for the betterment of admin. Like if an admin got to know that this mission is completed but it's not on the web, they can just emergency broadcast that and it will be sent to the admin itself. Next is maintenance bay. On the maintenance bay, there will be complete info related to the service logs. The monitor fleet, health and maintenance cycles. All of them will be mentioned in a single page itself. They can admin can create a new service for their easiness, like they can add a service date and the cost too. And all of them will be completely mentioned here itself. The updates will be live. Also, admin as its own role says about itself, it is important role, due to which if a new dispatcher comes and if it gives any info, for admin's easiness we have added the notification bar too, where each and every info and update will be directly connected using the notifications. Next is financial hub. The financial hub contains all the parts related to cost and expenditure. The total expenditure, like the fuel expense, other parts like what were the complete expenses by the driver during the dispatch, all of them will be mentioned on this single page, the financial hub. The active budgets and each and everything will also be mentioned here. Admin can again, they can add expense by themselves if they got to know if anything is missed. The fuel liter price, maintenance cost, each and everything will be calculated by itself. The inbuilt calculator is present in the FleetEdge itself. You don't need to do anything, it will calculate by itself. Next is personal. The driver personal page contains the personal info related to the driver. If you want to know if a driver is doing well or doing mid or low, they can know using this page. Driver personal contains each and every info related to a driver. If he is on duty, he is doing a dispatch, if he has missed his work, if he has missed his date, each and everything will be mentioned on the driver personal itself. The safety compliance contains the expired documents and other info related to that. Also, as a part of excitement for all the drivers, we have added the top performance protocol too, which contains the elite driver's name, which helps the admin to motivate other drivers to give their best for coming in the elite position. Also, it contains the total number of drivers too. Next, and last but not least, the analytics part. It contains, as I just mentioned, the fleet distribution and all the parts that were present on the command center. Basically, command center is just for fast review related to any dispatch or any complete review. The admin can be viewed, like they can view their own profile using the view button, as you can see here, as mentioned. The settings also is connected to this single page only. They can update their info here. They can update their system settings using the system configuration, and they can also change their theme, like switch to light mode and switch to dark mode too, based on their needs. So this was the complete part. Again, we will fastly log out to mention or other roles. Like basically the other roles except the admin role contains the same features, all of them which were present in the administrator. As administrator, as I just mentioned, contains the full control or access to every feature. Like for example, dispatcher, it contains the same part itself. So this was the complete FleetEdge. Thank you.